Are you ready to fund your Uphold account? It's a straightforward process, but knowing the right steps can save you time and hassle. Here's a quick, easy-to-follow guide on how to deposit fiat currency into your Uphold wallet. First, you'll want to choose your deposit method. Uphold offers a few options for fiat deposits, including linking a bank account via ACH or microdeposits, and using a debit or credit card. Your choice might depend on your location, as some options are region-specific, and the speed you need the funds to be available. To start, log into your Uphold account. From the dashboard, look for the Transact or Deposit option. This is your gateway to moving money in and out of your wallet. If you're using a linked bank account, select your bank from the list. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to do that first, usually by adding your account details and verifying it through a service like Plaid, or by microdeposits which Uphold sends to your bank account for you to confirm. Once your bank account is selected, simply enter the amount of fiat currency you want to deposit. The app will show you a preview of the transaction, including any applicable fees and the estimated time for the funds to be available. For those using a debit or credit card, the process is very similar. Select the card you wish to use as your source, enter the amount, and preview the transaction. Debit and credit card deposits are often instant, but there may be a fee. After reviewing all the details and confirming everything looks correct, tap or click Confirm Deposit. The funds will begin their journey into your Uphold account. Keep in mind that while some methods like debit cards or instant bank transfers are quick, ACH deposits can take a few business days to settle. A crucial point to remember is that the name on your bank account or card must match the name on your Uphold account to ensure a smooth transaction. Mismatched names can cause delays or outright transaction failures. And that's it. You've successfully deposited fiat into your Uphold account. The funds will now be available for you to buy crypto, send money, or whatever else you need to do on the platform. If you run into any issues, always check the Uphold Support Center for troubleshooting tips. Happy trading!